Let me show you how you guys can change background in CapCut. So there is different way to do it. So let me show you the first way. So first you need to add video. Let's say this is going to be my main video, but I want a background on this video. What I can do is import another video which you want to use as background and click on plus. Once you do that, the video is going to be added like this. Now what you can do is drag the other video on top of the background you want. So right now this video is big, that's why you're not seeing the background. So I'm just going to reduce the size and you can see the background over here like this. And you can play around with the scale option over here to choose the background size as well. Now if you want to remove the background like this over here, what you can do is scroll down and you will see the option called background remover. Okay, so search for it over here. So you can see the background remove tool. Click on remove BG, click on auto removal, and it's going to process and remove the background. So it's going to separate me and the background. Once that's separated, you can choose another background. Okay, so right now it's processing, so let's wait for some time. As you guys can see, the background has been removed. Now you can change it to whatever you want like this. Make sure the background has to be on the bottom part, so I'm just going to put this on top like that, as you guys can see. Now I'm on top and the background is on the back like this. So this is basically how layers work. I hope you understand how layers work. So if you're confused, you can watch how layers work video on YouTube. But that's how you guys can remove background and change it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.